Hey friends, thanks for joining me today. Are you looking for the real maximum hosting a discount and tired of those ordinary 10% codes that don't deliver much? Then stay with me because I'm about to reveal exactly how you can get an extra 20% off instantly using my personal referral code. The smartest and easiest way to save more right now. Everything you need is waiting for you in the description box below. I've added my official 20% hosting a referral link plus ready-made versions for every country written in your local language with prices shown in your own currency. Just pick the one for your region and click, you'll land straight on the official Hostinger website with the extra 20% already loaded and ready to use. From the homepage, simply click the Products and Services button at the top of the navbar. This opens the full catalog of every hosting plan and service Hostinger provides. Best part, my 20% referral discount applies to absolutely every plan they sell, so you have complete freedom to choose whatever suits your needs. To make it super clear, let's walk through the self-hosted N8N plan together. Here on screen, you can see all the options: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. For today's example, I am choosing the KVM2 plan because it's the sweet spot for power and value after the discount. Select your plan, go to checkout, and watch my 20% hosting a discount appears automatically and is clearly shown before you complete the purchase. Enjoy your bigger savings. If this quick tutorial helped you grab that extra 20% off, do me a quick favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment saying which plan you picked. That really helps the video reach more people who need the same deal. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.